Verdict: Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s is a compelling phone to buy in the sub-Rs 15,000 price segment. It offers performance gains over the Redmi Note 10, but the camera performance left us asking for more. That being said, if you are specifically looking for a phone that can offer great gaming performance and can go through demanding tasks, then you can check out its elder sibling, the Redmi Note 10 Pro. The Redmi Note 10s is perfect for those that sit at the intersection of normal use and casual gaming. With the Redmi Note 10s, Xiaomi wants to further narrow down the gap between the Rs 10,000 to Rs 15,000 price segment. Starting at Rs 14,999, it sits comfortably between the standard Redmi Note 10 and the Note 10 Pro, but costs Rs 2,500 more than the standard version. The Redmi Note 10s is a slight upgrade over the Redmi Note 10 as it brings in the Mediatek Helio G95 processor and a new primary camera to the mix. Otherwise, it is the same phone as the Redmi Note 10, and both are visually indistinguishable
quite good,
from each
lightweight, and pretty
what
well
do you get exactly by
device.
shelling out that extra money for the Note 10s? Here's what we found out.
फ्रंट कैमरा जस्ट बीच में अच्छा लग रहा है, इसको सच में बहुत ही मॉडर्न लुक दे रहा है कि इसके अंदर न्यू वाइट 12.5 देखने को मिलती है, वो बहुत अच्छी परफॉर्म कर रही है। मतलब उसके जो ग्राफिक्स है ना वो काफी ज्यादा अच्छे देखने को मिल जाते हैं।
और यहाँ पे उन्होंने डीप सी ब्लू कलर इसमें प्रोवाइड किया है जो कम्प्लीटली यहाँ पे मैट फिनिश में आता है और यहाँ पे आपको डुअल टोन कलर्स इसमें देखने मिलते हैं और ओवरऑल ये जो कलर है काफी एस्थेटिक लुक देता है इस पर्टिकुलर फोन को।
ये जो स्मार्टफोन है इसका हैप्टिक फीडबैक जो है इट इज इन माय ओपिनियन वन ऑफ द बेस्ट फीडबैक्स जो इस बजट रेंज में आप एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हैं।
Upfront it comes with a beautiful 6.4 inches Super AMOLED display. This display is amazing in terms of colors, viewing angles, and I love AMOLED displays because of those deeper blacks.
Rear portrait shots in general are detailed and vivid. Colors are super impressive.
Now this is something new. We haven't seen so much of it so far in the Indian market. This is the MIUI 12.5 based on Android. I feel for that price this seems like something you should go for in case you're looking for an overall package, not just for something that is on one department.
The Redmi Note 10s has dual stereo speakers that are fairly loud, but nothing out of the ordinary. The power button on the phone doubles up as a fingerprint reader, which lets you unlock the phone in a jiffy. We think that the Redmi Note 10s performs the best under balanced workloads that also ensures sustained performance over time. Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s battery review. The Redmi Note 10s is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery that supports 33W fast charging out of the box. On regular use case without much gaming in the way, the Redmi Note 10s was easily able to last for over a day and a half. Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s camera review. The Redmi Note 10s has a quad camera setup on the back much like the standard Redmi Note 10. The primary camera has received an upgrade from 48MP on the Note 10 to 64MP on the Note 10s. The Redmi Note 10s has a 64MP primary camera that uses an Omnivision OB64B sensor and offers an f/1.8 aperture. The remaining 3 cameras are the same as on the regular Note 10, including an 8MP ultra-wide-angle camera with 118-degree field of view, 2MP macro camera, and 2MP depth sensor. The Redmi Note 10s produces decent pictures during daylight that have natural colors, but is unable to provide much clarity if you look at the images closely. Some of the images also look overexposed and slightly oversaturated, but overall, the primary camera produced good and usable pictures in daylight. During the night or in low-lit environments, the camera produced pictures filled with noise and fewer details. That being said, the low-light performance of the Note 10s cameras is unremarkable, and it is best used to capture pictures during daytime or in well-lit conditions. The Redmi Note 10s also has a fixed focus macro camera that produces average pictures, and is a lot of hit-and-miss affair with this one. When it comes to pictures, we like the daylight performance of the cameras on the Note 10s even though we feel it is a minor upgrade in the larger scheme of things. Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s design and display review. Being an affordable phone, the Redmi Note 10s has a plastic build and is being offered in 3 colors: Shadow Black, Frostlight and Deep Sea Blue to choose from. The Redmi Note 10s has also received an IP53 rating which shields it from regular splashes of water and dusting. The Redmi Note 10s features a 6.43-inch Super AMOLED display that offers a full HD resolution. The display on the Redmi Note 10s can get bright and produces good colors. Overall, the AMOLED display is pretty good and can easily be used to watch videos on YouTube or binge watch Netflix as it does support Widevino 1. Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s Review Verdict. Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s is a compelling phone to buy in the sub-Rs 15,000 price segment. It offers performance gains over the Redmi Note 10, but the camera performance left us asking for more. That being said, if you are specifically looking for a phone that can offer great gaming performance and can go through the many tests, then you can check out the elder sibling Redmi Note 10 Pro. The Redmi Note 10s is perfect for those that sit at the intersection of normal use and casual gaming.
Quite good.